Kidnapping under the Indian Penal Code, IPC, involves the unlawful taking or enticing of a person away from their lawful guardian or out of India without consent. Sections 360 and 361 of the IPC define kidnapping from India and lawful guardianship, respectively. The offence is punishable with imprisonment and fines, with more severe penalties for kidnapping for ransom. Key concepts. 1. Kidnapping from India. Conveying a person beyond the limits of India without their consent or the consent of their legal guardian. 2. Kidnapping from lawful guardianship. Taking or enticing a minor, under 16 for males, under 18 for females, or a person of unsound mind out of the custody of their lawful guardian without consent. 3. Consent. The consent of the minor or person of unsound mind is irrelevant. Only the guardian's consent matters. And 4. Enticement. Persuading someone to leave their guardian's custody, even without physical force, can be considered kidnapping. Examples. Kidnapping from India. Taking a child on a ship to another country without the parent's permission is kidnapping from India. Kidnapping from lawful guardianship. Luring a 15-year-old boy away from his school with a promise of a movie outing is kidnapping from lawful guardianship. Landmark cases. 1. Thakurlal D. Vadgama vs. State of Gujarat, 1973. The accused was held liable for kidnapping a minor girl by inducing her to leave her father's place and promising her shelter. 2. Prakash vs. State of Haryana, 2004. The Supreme Court emphasized that the consent of the minor is immaterial. Only the guardian's consent is relevant in determining kidnapping. 3. S. Varadarajan vs. State of Madras, 1965. The court distinguished between taking and allowing a minor to accompany someone, clarifying that mere inaction in preventing a minor from leaving does not constitute kidnapping. And 4. Moniram Hazarika vs. State of Assam, 2004. The Supreme Court held that promising a minor girl marriage to entice her away from her home is considered enticing and is an act of kidnapping. Punishment. Kidnapping is punishable with imprisonment up to 7 years and/or fine. Kidnapping for ransom can lead to rigorous imprisonment up to 14 years and a fine. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.